Starting off with Ugly Ducklings 43, and this is the black polish. If you guys have been here for a while, you know I am using press-on nails right now because I like to add more tutorials than I'm able to film on my nails. So what I'm doing is I'm applying this black polish, but I'm not starting in the very back. I start probably, since these are longer, I would say 1/5 from the back, and then push back to the cuticle and drag it down the side.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down.
I'm going to matte top coat because we are going to go ahead and go into design, and this design is from Foxy Cure. I will link her Instagram below. I changed up the colors a little bit.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out.
So here we're taking the neon pigments, and by pigments I mean gels, and I am mixing some together just to get a little bit of a
I'm
different color.
gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So what I'm doing to draw the leaves is I'm doing the petals first, meaning I'm just kind of taking that longer stripey brush and bring it down so the end kind of has a little bit of a bulb, and then I drag it down, and then I actually drag it all down the middle to kind of create that stem.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait before.
Taking that pink and doing the same type of leaf design, hence where I pulled a lot from Foxy Cure, because she did this design with a lot of pull type leaves or flowers, however you want to look at it.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Now this is where I think her design was really, really, really impactful, is that she added this white. And since I'm using paint, I can leave these because they cure to attack free. So I do have that matte underneath, and then I have these on top, and I think it gives a really cool effect. And so what I did is I went ahead and did each nail one at a time for the white, and then I moved on to the next nail. And then when we go in and add the dots, I did the same thing.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and this is the last video before the Halloween series, and enjoy the giveaway during it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.